Hey everybody, this is your artist rep Yvonne with the Face Paint Forum Shop, and today we're going to be painting some pretty sunflowers. We're going to go ahead and start off with this Party Explosion one stroke called Fur Baby, and we're going to be using our Magic Wand brush line 3/4 flat brush. We're going to go ahead and load it up so that we can do the center of each sunflower. So we're just going to do a circle, full circle on the top, and then a half circle on each side of the eye. Okay, once we've got the center of our flowers settled down there, we're going to use our DFX Dragon Fruit, and we're going to continue with that Magic Wand brush line, except this time we're going to be using a 1/2 inch flat, and we're going to use the 2 shades of yellow on that DFX Dragon Fruit. Now, to make the flower petals, you're going to press down, twist, and pull to a point. Press down, twist, and pull. Press down, and then just continue the rest of the way. So you press, twist, and pull. Press, twist, and pull. And it's going to give you those nice pointy petals that you're needing. Now, once we do the petals on all 3 of the flowers, we're going to grab this Micam Effects Iridescent Yellow and Orange. And we're going to go ahead and sponge some of it on the inner part of the eye. We'll do the yellow. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Look at how beautiful that yellow looks. Very, very shimmery. Then we're just going to blend in the orange. Kind of give it that eyeshadow effect. Looks really pretty. Once we've got that sponged down, we're going to go ahead and move on to some leaves. Now, we're going to be using Leanne's Tropical Palette. And again, I'm going to be using a Magic Wand brush. And this time it's a 1/2 inch angled brush that we're going to be using. And we're just going to be using the green and the yellow. Now, I'm just going to make a leaf. But I'm going to go ahead and just mark down the line of where I want my leaf to be so I can have a good point. 3 loops and pull. You do 3 loops and then pull to a point. We're going to do that same thing on the other side. Remember, you're going to do 3 loops. So you do 1, 2, 3 and pull to a point. Same thing on the bottom. 1, 2, 3 and pull to a point. There we go. Now on the other side, we're just going to go ahead and make some leaves, but these are different. We're just kind of dragging the brush up and inwards. Once we're done with that, we're going to move on, and we're going to be using this round brush by Art Factory. I believe it's a number 2. Yes, it's a number 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to do some squiggly swirlies, give it some more interest. So we're just going to pull it up, a few teardrops here and there. And the same thing, a few teardrops on the other side to do the same thing. I'm going to reload it. And then we're just going to do some swirls on the top. And another swirl on the other side, same thing. Okay. Once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and move on with some Superstar Line White and a number 2 round. Now, I love to frame eyes in these designs. It just makes it a lot more flirty and pretty. I just feel like it draws attention to the eyes, makes the eyes look bigger. So we're going to go ahead and frame both of the eyes. And then we're just going to add a few little dots here and there to the sunflower to give it some more dimension. Go ahead and put some dots in the center of the sunflower you have on top. Now we're going to go ahead and sprinkle some yellow iridescent glitter all over. And then we're going to go ahead and grab some Vaseline and just dab it wherever you want your chunky glitter to stay, which I'm going to just dab it on here and there. And look at this awesome neon yellow chunky glitter. It looks really cute. Now this is a design that I would use more so for older girls. And remember, you can find all of this at facepaintforumshop.com. Thank you so much for watching.